Welcome back to the Adventure Bus, everyone. Today, we're fixing probably the biggest problem with this thing, and that is this front entranceway. Here's the problem. You walk in, and you're like, oh hey, I'm in a school bus. It doesn't look great. It looks like I'm in a school bus. And then you come over here, oh wait, no, it's an RV. This front entranceway is just ugly, school bussy, and well, that's it. It just doesn't look good. So that is what we are doing today. We're gonna rip out all the rubber flooring and then put some vinyl wood flooring over it along with some aluminum trim to make it look nice. I just wanna let you guys know that there is a sale going on for our t-shirts. I'm trying to get rid of whatever stock we have left, so we're putting them 50% off. I think we have like 30 left, so yeah. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested, but let's get started with the school bus. We just gotta rip all this stuff out. You know, that's gonna be fun. As we know, all of the screws on here are rusted out, so we have to drill all of them out. There's about 3, 6, there's probably like 30, 40, I don't know. Oh, whoa, wait, the first one came out. Okay. Oh, this might be easier than we thought. Yes, exactly what I wanted you to do. Thanks for the moral support, Axel. Oh man, R.I.P. chair. So literally after doing this for maybe hour and a half, that's how far I got, like nothing. This rubber is very well glued down onto the metal below it. And in order to get it off, I really am having to like hammer it with a screwdriver, like a chisel. But the problem is that it's damaging the metal underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Instead of ripping this stuff out, I'm just gonna build on top of it. I mean, it's hard rubber. It's not like it's gonna do anything if I build on top of it, so we'll be okay. It's maybe not quite as nice, but it's okay. I'm cutting out plywood sheets that are the same size of this thing, and then going from there. So next thing to do is to go ahead and secure that plywood with glue and screws. got a nice plywood platform for the stairs into the bus. And now really all we have to do is start laying down vinyl. However, I'm gonna wait overnight, let all the glue in here dry, and then we'll do the vinyl tomorrow. The reason why we put those pieces in was to make this flush with this, so we can just put vinyl right over this. I mean, even just now, I think it looks better than having those ugly mats, but it's gonna look fire with that vinyl. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And everything is dry. You're probably thinking like, wow, what an ugly seam right there in that corner. But we're gonna cover most of the seams with some aluminum trim, like we did with right here. And there we go. The vinyl is all in. Those two buckets are there pressing the vinyl onto the wall because I was wanting to come up. That's the one problem with the glue that I use, is that it's really good on vinyl, but it doesn't have a very good grab. But it looks good, it just looks really unfinished, so we need to finish it now. What we're gonna do is put some aluminum trim on each of the stairs, along that side, along some of those, on the carpet, and that should make it look a lot nicer. And this is what we use when we can't use clamps. I need to finish putting aluminum trim along the carpet lines and along this little platform line. Can't do that until all the wood dries because I have to be walking on it. And right now it's slippery and slidey and it would ruin it if I tried to walk on it. But it looks really awesome. I mean, like, look at this. Compared to what it used to look like, I'm really happy. My eye's twitching. Ugh. Can you see that? Oh, it's so weird. You can see it. I'm not doing that. I swear to God, I'm not doing that. Ah! I've got something in my eye. Not really, but it looks like there's like a bug crawling. Oh, it's like from a horror movie. I hate that so much. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, even though it was literally just looking at this entranceway for like 10, 15 minutes. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, please give it a dislike and tell me why. You know, I get like, 60 or so dislikes per video, but I don't get 60 comments telling me how I can improve. That's what I call a hater. But tomorrow is an exciting day because we are hopefully going to go pick up the new build. You'll see what that is when and if I get it. I'm pretty excited. It's just gonna be a fun, quick little build. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time and peace out. Here comes the heater. So goodbye.